We make every effort to ensure quality at Seizmik. However, mistakes happen. If your Photon Mirror's ball joint housing block arrives loose or becomes loose, here's how to tighten it up. First, use a Torx 20 wrench to remove the exterior bezel. Keep going. We can wait. Place the bezel to the side and carefully remove the mirror glass. Use a 4mm hex wrench to tighten these two screws inside the housing. Oh! You'll want to make that pretty tight. Now, repeat with the other side. There we go. Nice and tight. Carefully replace your mirror glass in the housing. Grab that Torx 20 wrench to replace the bezel. No, that's fine. We'll wait. Nice. You'll want to tighten up the ball joint now. Tighten up the two screws on either side of it with a 5mm hex wrench. Excellent, just like we want it. Now your ball joint housing block is tightened to factory specs and you can back away from your mirror awkwardly. Have a great day.